In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change checkout page in Squarespace. First, open your web browser and head to Squarespace. From the homepage, click Login and sign into your account. Once you're in, choose the website you want to work on and open it. On the site dashboard, select Go to Website, then enter the editor by clicking Edit Site. This puts you in the place where you can change how your store behaves. Look for the Settings icon, usually shown as a small gear, and open it. In the Settings menu, find the Selling or Commerce section. Within Selling, choose Checkout. This is where you manage what your customers see and fill out when they're about to buy. On the checkout page, locate the area labeled Additional Fields. Open it by clicking the small arrow next to the label to reveal more options. Turn on Enable Custom Checkout Form. This unlocks the ability to tailor the form to match your business needs and your brand voice. Next, click Edit Custom Form. At the top, you can give your form a clear name so you and your team recognize it later, especially if you manage multiple forms or variations. A descriptive name makes future updates easier. Now add fields by clicking Add Form Field. Choose the field types you need, such as email and address, or other common options like phone number, company name, order notes, or a checkbox for terms acknowledgement. For each field, you can usually set a label, add helper text, and decide if it's required. Keep in mind that fewer, clearer fields typically lead to higher conversion rates, so only collect what you truly need. Also, avoid requesting sensitive information that isn't essential to the order. Take a moment to arrange your fields in a logical order. Drag and drop them so customers can move smoothly from contact information to shipping details and any optional notes. Consistency and clarity at this stage greatly reduce cart abandonment. When you're happy with your form, click Save inside the editor. Then, back on the Checkout Settings page, click Save again to publish your changes. That second save is important. Without it, your updates may not take effect. A quick tip before you wrap up: preview your checkout by adding a product to cart and walking through the checkout flow. Check that labels are clear, required fields are marked appropriately, and the overall experience is fast and friendly. If anything feels confusing, return to the form editor and refine. That's it. You've customized your Squarespace checkout page with a clean, customer-friendly form.